Emily.
And I'm Jane.
And we're also known as Camp Lovesick.
Today we're going to be making our own handles for the entire camper out of this really beautiful walnut. This is something that you don't have to do in a camper, you can also do in your house to just freshen it up and make it look really nice on a budget.
We were super excited when we were gifted so much scrap walnut wood from our friends Megan and Emma. We were really excited because they found this wood, it was going to be thrown away, and we got to use it, and it's so beautiful. So the walnut pieces that we got were this size, and they were already jointed on one end, which was amazing for handles because it's a perfect little finger grab. But if you are making these and you don't have jointed wood, that's okay. You can easily just joint it yourself by making one rip cut there and one rip cut this way on your table saw. Since that was already done for us though, step saved. All we had to do is rip down these pieces to be a smaller and thinner size because we felt like this was a bit chunky. So once we've ripped them down, we could start cutting them and making them, and we'll show you how we did that.
The smaller cupboards are going to have handles that are this size, and then the bigger cupboards are going to have handles that are this size. Now you just have to sand and seal these guys.
Wow, doing detailed work like this takes a long time. Let's speed it up. Now let's wait 24 hours for these to dry, and then we will sand them down, give them another coat so they're super durable and ready for many sticky fingers to be pulling at them.
Now that all the pieces are finally dry, we can install them. What I'm doing right now is drilling pilot holes in the very center of each of these. That way when we actually screw in our screws, the wood won't crack. I've already marked where the middle is, so now all I have to do is drill. I put some tape on the end of my drill bit just to mark how far I need to drill into my pieces of wood. That way I'm not drilling all the way through and out the other side. Now that the pilot holes are done, let's put them in!
"15 custom handles later, and we are finally done. We are so excited with how these little walnut beauties turned out.
Not only did we do handles this week, we also made our own curtains, installed our kitchen backsplash, made a fold-out table, made a flip-up desk, made a bedside table, and started on our lighting.
That's so many things. This has been such a busy week.
Let's show you how our camper is turning out. Thank you so much for watching this video.
We are so happy with how all these final touches are coming together. This is episode 14. We've been working on this thing for 14 weeks, but the end is near. We are close.
We're close. It's all coming together. Everything we had in our mind and more is now in this camper. So stay tuned.
Subscribe because the final tour is coming up.
It's coming up soon.
We get to finally show you the before and the after of this whole camper renovation, and we are so excited to share that with you. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and we will see you very soon.
See you soon.